Hey everyone, something a little bit different today. Out of that dense dark bush chasing the moorpork, and we're out at the beautiful coastline of Awatea Harbour, just north of Kawhia, in search of the reef heron. So, let's go. Cool, so we've located the reef heron, which is really cool. Didn't have to go too far, but it's hanging out in these rock pools here. The thing with the reef heron, what makes them so hard to spot, is the grey plumage just blends in beautifully with these black west coast sands. But he's just in here feeding in the rock pools, so I'm just going to grab a couple shots. Cool images of the reef heron. Now I've just spotted what looks like the silver heron or the white-faced heron up here, so I'm just going to make my way up and see if we can capture some images of a different species. Sorry if it's any wind noise, it is really windy at the moment, so hopefully you're getting this. So currently I'm shooting at 1/1000th of a second, f5.6 ISO 400. Got quite inconsistent light with sun kind of breaking out through the clouds completely to then going behind the clouds. So I'm starting to get some good results. The histogram's looking really good, and the images are looking fantastic. So we'll stay on this. I think I'm going to call it a wrap. We've got some really nice photos of the reef heron. Unfortunately, didn't get any other species, but you know, that's just the nature of bird photography. You're never guaranteed any photo, so to speak, and you've got to work for it out here. I find on the west coast especially, you know, these birds are quite skittish, so you got to really take your time getting in, getting down low, taking images. I mean, you get covered in muck, you get wet, you get cold, but that's part of the adventure and what makes it so much fun. Hopefully see you in the next one. Cheers.